This tiny gold stock is located in the same mining districts as several multi-billion-dollar gold companies. They've got some major upcoming catalysts that could send the stock on an upward trajectory for the coming months. Welcome back to Capital Catalyst. Today we're looking at Showcase Minerals, ticker SHOW.CN on the Canadian Securities Exchange. Their extensively experienced board of directors and highly seasoned team have a proven track record of managing and growing multi-million-dollar mining operations. This unique opportunity indicates another chance for them to do just that. The site of the Showcase project is the Carlin Trend, one of the most prolific gold mining districts in the entire world. It's located in North Nevada of the United States. The Carlin Trend has yielded over 50 million ounces of gold in its 60-year existence, making it one of the richest gold projects ever in North America. Comparable gold projects in the Carlin Trend are Barrick and Newmont's Nevada gold projects, which yielded nearly 2 million ounces of gold in 2022 alone. We met with Showcase Minerals' director, Chris Paterson, to further discuss this high potential opportunity and learn more about this exciting venture. Welcome back to Capital Catalyst. Today we're joined by Mr. Chris Paterson, who's the director of Showcase Minerals. Chris, thanks so much for joining us today.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Yeah, of course. Chris, taking a look at your company, the first thing many investors would notice is the unique location of the operation. And I was hoping you could share with us what is so exciting about the Carlin Trend, and maybe if you could shed some light on this area in Nevada and why it's, a world-class jurisdiction.
Yeah, the Carlin Trend is one of the most productive gold regions in the world, and that's what makes it exciting. The area has hosted more than 40 separate mineral deposits with over 100 million ounces of gold. At today's prices, that represents a value of over $2 billion. So that's quite significant.
Right. And again, kind of speaking to the Carlin Trend itself, we know that within the Carlin Trend, Showcase Minerals has the option to acquire both 100% in Dixie Flats and Woodruff, right? And
Yes.
What kind of timeline can the investors be expecting for you to operate on with these projects?
The exploration today on the property has identified multiple targets with the potential to host gold deposit. Our next step is to conduct drilling on the properties to determine how far the surface mineralization extends. Which will occur within the next couple of months.
Okay. You're not the only group out in Nevada in the Carlin Trend as well. It's important to note that Barrick and Newmont's Nevada gold mine is also located in the Carlin Trend, right? And
yes,
in 2022, it produced almost 2 million ounces of gold. I was wondering if you saw any similarities between this mine and your exploration project and kind of what you can expect moving forward between the two projects.
We're excited because our properties have very similar geology to these existing deposits and are on the same Carlin Trend and mineralization. In fact, Orla's Bullion and Dark Star deposits are within 1.5 miles of our property, and that's a very short distance. And they are anticipating an 8-year mine life with a net present value of $839 million. Our hope is that the gold mineralization will continue on our claims, which our proposed drilling program will assess.
Okay, looking at your actual stock and the share price of Showcase Minerals, you've been on the public markets for a very short amount of time. Are there any concerns with raising funds, and what can investors kind of look for when they're devoting their money to Showcase Minerals?
Yeah, we're fully capped in terms of funding to conduct our drill programs, so that's not an issue. So we have the money, we have the location. Our stock structure is amazing in terms of the amount of shares outstanding. So it's quite an attractive play in terms of a resource deal.
Amazing. Has there been any insider team buying or anything like that? And how's the team morale doing at Showcase Minerals?
We're very excited to continue and venture forward. There has been a little bit of buying, as you can see if you look through our trade history. It's very little volume. So with people like yourselves, we're anticipating to increase value and shareholder value for the customers.
Moving forward, what can kind of everyone expect with Showcase Minerals? I mean, you mentioned a little bit about the timeline just moving forward, but what else is there to look forward to? What else is Showcase Minerals looking to finish this year off of with?
We basically, I mean, there's only a couple of months left in this year. So basically, we just want to conduct the drilling and assess those results. So that's what we have in store for this year. We'll make announcements in due course as to the findings of those drill programs.
Sounds great. Well, thanks so much for joining us today, Chris. Check out Showcase Minerals, show.cn on the TSX. Chris, it's been great speaking with you.
Thank you very much.
Cheers.